Hello, my people. Na me, that one na little sister Dara for Dara Talk Show. Abeg, if you just dey watch me for the first time, you don dey watch me before. Invite many people, make dem join together. Make una watch me o. Make una follow me for my Facebook page, Dara Talk Show. As una dey enter my page like this, abeg, help me like am and follow. E dey very very important. And as una like and follow, any video wey una watch there, make una drop una comment, make una help me share. As una comot for that my Facebook page, make una fit enter my timeline. For my timeline, I get plenty video wey I don do there. Just be my friend for Facebook. You go just enjoy all the video wey I don do before. And as una dey watch am, make una like, make una drop una comment, make una love, make una still help me share. For YouTube channel, I don open my own YouTube channel now, but I need yes, you wey you dey watch me, help me invite your girlfriends, help me invite your wife, your children dem, everybody, invite everybody, make una join me for my YouTube channel. Na Dara Talk Show at the same time, but the thing be say capital letter D for Dara Talk and then capital letter S for show. Immediately you enter my channel, my YouTube channel like this, abeg wetin you go do me be say press that subscriber button. Subscribe immediately. As you dey press that one now, press the notification bell wey be say anytime wey I upload new video, you go just be the first person wey go do wetin, enjoy am. And as una do, make una help me share am, make una still drop una comment. I wan know wetin una view concerning my video, make we do am together. So also for Instagram, e still the same thing, Dara Talk Show. Make una still follow follow my ministry now, make una still help my ministry small. I do you bad? I no do you bad now. Okay, if I do you bad, I say sorry. But I know say I no do you bad. I no dey follow person fight. People wey dey know me, they know say I be gentle girl. So those of you wey una comment for the last video wey I post, I thank all of una. I appreciate all of una. Una do well for my body, but I know say una fit do more better. Make una do more better for this one. So wetin I wan come talk today na men matter, our Nigerian men in Germany. Wetin go happen be say, because this story wey I wan begin now, e go long well, but the one wey I wan talk today, wey I go call am, the title be say be Carol White guys for Germany. My sister wey you dey watch me, my brother wey you dey watch me, if una never jam dem, I go tell una. Dem dey call this category Carol White guys. This type of Carol White guy, nothing wey dem know again for their life na to use cream. Dem use cream pass women. I know say you as you dey watch me go say shebi me too I dey rub cream. I dey rub cream, I no go lie to you, but I be woman. Na woman na to take care of themselves. You still dey talk and say na men dey say make dem no take care. No, I no mean that one. No. Why? Me, I no even like dirty person. Whether you be man or you be woman, I no like dirty person. You understand? But wetin I dey talk be say this Carol White category, dem dey do am extra. Dem dey give am extra length because dem dey use am to make money. We fit call dem gigolo sef, but make we use this Carol White group, make we take cover dem. Make we no use that gigolo of a thing. This kind Carol White guys wey I dey talk about, dem no dey work for Germany. Since they don enter this country, this very moment wey I dey talk, whether they don tell or they just dey come or come join their group, they no dey work and they never ready, they never plan to work. The time in the morning wey normal responsible man, everybody including women for Europe, especially for Germany, we no get any other thing wey we dey do for Germany na work. You wey be say you be lazy bone, wey you no fit work, you no fit hustle, no even bother to come to Germany. As una don enter now, the time that morning around 4 o'clock wey responsible people don wake up, dey prepare to go and hustle. You understand? Na that time their own sleep begin. Why? Because no be say dem no sleep throughout the night, dem no gree sleep. No be work dem dey do. It's either wey be say when e don reach 7 o'clock, you go see dem go dress well. You go see the way wey dem dey take clean. If dem dey waka for road sef, e go be like say make dem their leg make e no touch ground. Dem go dey neat, untouchable, like a very new naira note. Na so dem dey be. Dem go fresh, handsome. looking very nice. No woman wey go jam them for road wey no go praise. This kind guy, dey very, very nice. So I will feel like having am. Na lie, if you go fall or enter their trap, my sister, you no go lis ten to me now. I dey talk better thing wey go help you. That one wey don hook you for neck, wey dey show you fake love, wey you dey think say na true he love you, you dey take am brag among your friends say you don get better thing. Your husband, he dey very handsome. I pity you. I pity you because by the time this carrot guy finish with you, nothing go remain for your head. That is if you no head am for psychiatric hospital. Or they no destroy you. Maybe say they go carry you go Nigeria. Now be say your own don't finish with that. Because if you enter this Carol White group, wey me at the talk so, they go make sure so they go collect all the money where they enter your hand. And this Carol White category, wey me at the talk, they know they date single guy, single baby. Single baby wey me at the top be say all those girls wey be say they still they grow, they never marry before, that maybe they don't they get boyfriend and all this, they never born before, they are still very fresh. They know they follow that kind of people because they will say wetin you wan offer. They know they like stress. They too like enjoyment for life. Now single mothers, my single mothers, where all of una may I open una sense. I know say most of una my sister, una don't fall victim. For those of us where we never fall victim, now I dey tell una, may una open una eyes, may una open una, yes, 3DD, may una open una sense, may una hear word. All this car, anytime when a man come meet you see him from head to toe, it just deck like that. Everything they very neat, very beautiful, no dirty, just straight. It just pick the color to match, and even in your skin self, it can't dey fresh past your home. Or another thing where I go tell you, where you go take know them. All these Carol White guys, where you go take sabi them quick. You go see their face. They feel no come yellow for all of their body, but you see that their face and their neck, it go yellow past Oyinbo themselves. You go see their baby now, they go trim them, it go fresh, it go fine, they go look so handsome, inviting. Na lie, na business then dey o. Na single mothers. Na single mothers like you where they talk. Na then they also up and down. See, they get plenty girlfriend. Carol White guys for Germany, they get plenty girlfriend. They go get for Dortmund, where they stay, the city where they stay. They go get for Hamburg. They go get for Berlin. They go get for Munich. They go get for Düsseldorf. No popular city where they this Germany, where they know they get girlfriend though. And as they get all those girlfriend, and so they go they promise that they show them fake love. They will come, they show you love, or like say then they responsible, like say true, they love you, not lie. All those love where the caring, sometimes they go put caring. You too, you will come they feel better, like say at least he dey very caring, if he no even give you anything, still dey there. Na lie. Na the business now. You know, say if you want sell market, you go dey friendly with your buyer now. Abi your buyer, you go dey front face for am. You go dey friendly now. Na it be the thing wey dem dey do. Yoruba pe ni ọrọ̀ ajé. Ọrọ̀ ajé no ṣe. Ọrọ̀ ajé no ṣe. No be say that nice wey they nice or caring. No be say e dey their blood or they do am purposely. So that they won't take and camouflage. Make therefore take all the money wey dey your hand. Make therefore they enjoy you well. You know wetin I dey mean by enjoy. Na be say the small money wey government give you, make you dey take whole and soul and body together with your pikin. They won't take am for your hand. After taking the money for your hand, you dey hear me, so listen well. After taking the money for your hand, they know they give you sense like this. Now you go dey take the money for your own hand. They to cook, prepare meal as in 5-star meal. Imagine how many hours wey you go stay for kitchen just to convince him say you truly love her. And I know say our women, if we dey in love like this or we want win one man's heart, hey, we go extra length. No be everything be chance. And as they collect that money, cash, you go cook better meal for them, they go shop am. And after they finish eating your food, they go come still thump you on top. They go come put you on top, as in on bed. They go make sure they service you well. Because they know say most of the single mothers now, as they no get husband, they go need person wey go be say they go dey touch all those private area where be say it go make them woman. They know say a lot of single mothers, they need them. For this reason, they go do you well. They go service you like say, anything. If they ask you your life, so you go give them, say, na my life be this, no wahala. Na Carol White guy dem be 419. Dem no love you cha cha. Dem no love you at all at all. In fact, na you dem hate most. They are all lazy. They are lazy bones. They no dey work. Early momo like this, like from 4 o'clock, wey meaningful people dey get up on their bed, wey be say they go dress up, comot for house, go hustle. Na that time dem dey enter, dey begin dey sleep. Ask me where dem dey, you think say dem work all the night? Na lie. Caro white guy go comot for 7 o'clock in the evening, and if dem dey comot like this, you jam dem for road, you go wan die for their neck because dem can dey look so beautiful and handsome. Hey, if you see the kind cloth wey dem go put na, e go dey to match, color match, their shoes, their train, everything go just dey perfect. And their face, if it come be say their body, the rest of their body, e no yellow, but you see that their face reach their neck, e can dey yellow, can dey fresh. Join their beards, na they go don treat that beards wey be say, oh God, for your mind, if you just jam them like this, go dey dream. If this one sef, if e no marry you, you dey ready to even friend am. And you wey you be mumu, single mother mumu, you, I dey talk to you. I dey tell you wetin dey happen for Germany now. You dey talk another thing for phone. You dey watch movie. I no pity you. After dem do you, you fall victim. You go come begin dey cry. You go come dey begin dey ask everybody make dem come dey donate for you. See, people no ready to donate anything now. Wetin I wan donate give you, na I dey tell you now if you like lis ten or not. So wetin me I dey talk now be say, this type people, that 7 o'clock as dem dress like this, dem dey come out o. Dem dey comot. Yes, dem wan go hustle. Dem wan go hustle. Any city wey dem dey, dem wan go hustle. Where dem wan go hustle? Na Afro shop be their main thing, target. Any Afro shop, you go just see them there, they go hold one bottle, maybe Guinness or any kind of beer. Na so, they fit drink that one bottle for 3 hours. Every babes, every woman wey dey enter that Afro shop, na im dem wan size, they wan know which one be which among them. Na there dem dey catch most of our single mothers. Small, we smile. You no go greet us. This, da. Anyhow, they go enter you. Before you know wetin happen, you don dey cook best food, 5-star meals for them for house. They are very, very lazy, very useless guys. They no get hope. If you be woman, you don't get this kind guy, abeg, I dey tell you, alele, chase am comot, release am make e dey waka dey go. Because you know wetin, you go say, me I dey with my husband. Yes, you are right, no be Caro white guy. But because I love you, na make me dey tell you this thing. You know, say women, no matter how strong we reach, our hearts dey very, very tender. And when we fall in love, yakata like this. We know they look back, say something fit happen. Before this one go break your heart again. Now me I dey tell this one, me una for know them. By their face you shall know them. Caro white guys. So as they defriend you now, they know say you're a single mother. Money go dey enter your hand monthly. That one, whether you work, you no work. They know say so amount go dey enter your head, your hand, your konto. This kind Caro white them. You know another thing wey they do, where you go still take know them. If e dey with you, anytime wey be your turn for your own plan, because they get timetable. And as they get timetable, if e dey with you like this, you go see some of in clothes, shoes, toothpaste, everything you dey there. Your mind go dey rest, say at least person wey you date, wey be say don dey bring it things one by one. You go think say e be like say fush or dey na lie. Na those things na material wey they take do, the way they take 419 our sisters them here. Because them bring some of their things for your house. You think say e mean business. Na lie, na to dey deceive you now. E go wait when e don reach the time when money go enter your hand. Before the money go enter, if e don dey remain like 2 weeks wey you go receive money, you go see am. If na your turn to rake you for that month, you go dey see am. Na your side e go come mostly. E go dey with you, go dey your neck, e go come dey give you one kind caring and one kind love wey be say your head go wan turn. You go wan run mad say this kind man still dey this world. Na lie o, na because e wan 419 you o. Open your eyes with 3DD o. Wetin I tell say, if you don reach your turn, wey be say na your turn for that month to rake your money, e go dey with you. almost 2 weeks before that time, wey you know say government go pay you. Before that time, you know what you go take know. You go don dey call one yeye phone. You go don arrange am the time wey you know there or the time wey you comot. You go don arrange am with a friend or with a family for Nigeria. Some of their family, this Caro White guy, dem know say na this kind hustle dem dey do for this place. So they know the game. When they arrange and dem come dey talk for phone, e come be say dem dey talk to their mama or their papa or dem dey talk their siblings. The whole tori wey that talk bring out na money. You go come dey do mama, you know say I no dey get work now. You know say I never get paper now. I no get money. And which kind thing be this? If e no come be say he made that call for your present, but for you, if he dey with you say, darling, we no name, no better and sweet name wey dey this one wey no dey their mouth. Dem know the one wey go catch you, wey go melt you. Come dey call you sweet name. Wey go dey tell you, go come dey put am for your head like this. Say, see oh, mama, im mama no be my mama. Im mama dey sick for Nigeria oh, he no get money oh. Dem say this oh, dem say that oh. When he go begin dey narrate the story, you know we women na. You know we women, before you know am, you go don dey ask am, and how much come be the money now? He go come tell you na so am. Okay, no problem. You go don dey do the calculation. If dem pay this your money now, you go still maneuver. You go manage comot this money wey him want. The remaining one, una go still suffer am till the whole month, till dem pay another money. Na so you go carry the money give am. As you dey give am the money, na dey thank you, darling, you are the best, you are such a wonderful woman, you are such this, you are such, go begin dey praise you. You to your head go dey swear. Orí abẹ́rẹ́ sí ni wú bí garri for. Àánú ẹ ò ṣe mí. I no pity you. You too go come dey relax, say at least you don jam better man. At least you don dey sow seed for this relationship. May e germinate. Na lie, because if only you know, your eyes open, you know how many of una dey in hand, you go know say you don enter one chance. Na one chance you enter, you no know. I sorry for you oh. Na one chance oh. Abeg, if una see flies dey fly everywhere, na so summer dey be for my side. Here, any summer period, na so fly full everywhere. For winter, I no know where all these flies dey. They go just travel go. You no dey see them again. So now, as you do, you carry all the money, you give am. You go come dey, after you don collect the money now, you go come dey give you one tori, because e wan go the next available one, the next one wey dey the next rotate for im calendar. E go come dey give you one stupid story. You too go just believe am say at least if you say no now, you wan dey misbehave anyhow, you wan dey claim one kind right like this now. If you come change your mind, you too you go wan prove yourself say you be better person. If he stay with you, if he live with you, if he marry you, if una born together, you go enjoy im life. So anything wey you do, you go dey swallow am. Him know the game, say na him dey play game, you no play game. But him come know say anything wey you want, any move wey you make like this, he know where you dey head to. Dem be expert, Caro White guy. Dem be winch. No be only person wey dey fly for night or dey sublime na be winch. This Caro White dem be winch. Dem be wizard. Dem be wizard. So now, as he comot, he give you excuse like this. He wan go see him brother, he wan go do this, he wan go do that, he wan go inside. Some go say he wan go inside. If na Aduro guy, he go tell you say he wan go in Aduro house. Na lie. No be in Aduro house. Some get white woman wey be say dem born, dem dey dey together like this, as be, e no dey responsible. The Oyibo don kick am comot. If you wan come change to another person, wan go collect the next morning now, he go tell you say he wan go meet him Oyibo Oyibo woman. I know say you wey you wan win im heart, you no go say may no go, because may no go talk say you know say I don't know am before, na him give me paper blah blah blah. As e dey comot like this, na lie. He don book the next victim. Na there e dey go. If you can't reach there, you can't dey call am, say may you even ask say whether e don reach where e dey go. Na lie, no dey carry your phone, because you know wetin happen. This type of Caro White, dem be yeye woman be. They are the most useless man for this earth. As dem dey friend you, one card for you. As many girlfriend dem get, na so their card boku. One card for one woman. Na im be the thing. As e dey comot for your side like this, maybe some go still hold am. Immediately you reach the place like this or something, you don tire for your own side, you go just switch am off. You go call am till eternity, until wey be say he himself wan call you, na you go fit reach am. If you come there, why na I don dey call, you say, but you know now, na oyibo dem no dey lie, na lie. Na another woman house e dey, and as e dey there, na another card for the card, the place, the next meeting wey im dey with now, im card na im go put. So you know your own card no fit go lie lie. And as e dey there now, you know say im card maybe only 1 or 2 3 few calls go dey enter. You go know say the calls wey dem dey enter im phone that time wey e dey with you na dem na dem guys wey be say the Karuwai group, na dem know where e dey at that particular time. Dem know wetin dem suppose do. Na so dem dey do for all of themselves, for themselves. Na so dem go do rake all our sisters, all our single mothers wey dey this journey. After dem don rake all of us, wetin come dey vex me be say na dem go still go out go dey spoil these single mothers. Na dem go dey call these single mothers ashawo, irresponsible woman. No dirty name wey dey this world, wey this Karuwai category guys, wey dem no go call single mother finish for this journey. And na dem dey behind the single mother's life. Because you wey be say you wan outsmart yourself, you say as a doctor now, you no want all the money wey you don spend. You don spend am too much. You no want make e go in vain. You wan outsmart and you go carry belle. No be say im tell you say he wan make you born. You go carry belle for am, say you go take am for you go call am, you go born put. You wan born put. You know say you don born 1 or 2 before for different guys. Now you don carry another one now, you wan born put. E don make 3 children, 3 father. E no even come me sef. E fit be one guy you born all the pikin for. Abeg, Karuwai guy, dem no, their head no dey that house, no dey ground reach say you carry belle, dem come dey with you. E no concern dem na shebi na you wan born now. Dem know say government dey, government go take care of am. Dem know say you get paper. Karuwai guys, dem no wan dey responsible with anybody like this. And dem no dey work. As dem comot for 7 o'clock dress like that, you go see dem for Afro shop. From Afro shop for weekend, dem go enter club. For if dem no go club for weekend, you go see dem for one party in this Germany. If dem no even dey get better place, one permanent place wey dem dey live. Na so dem go dey waka like dead body wey dem no allow am enter heaven. No party, no weekend wey dem no dey say party go for this Germany. Any city, talk of any city. If dem no get money, wey baby mamas, wey single mothers full everywhere, dem no go get money. By the time put am for this one head, put am for that one go drop money now. Dem know. You dey feel am? Now, that party wey dem dey go, and dem no dey waka for one o. Dem dey waka in group. Dem fit be 3, 4 na like that. Dem know the parole. As dem dey enter like this, na so dem dey pass information for themselves. If dem one know say party dey so, we go just call their group wey dey that area, say so place party dey there. E be like say na single mother dey do birthday for im pikin. Dey do any party wey dem know say women go boku, especially single mother, come with their kinderwagen. Na there you dey see this type, this Karuwai dem. They go come, they go look sweet wey be say if you see themselves, if dem say hello to you, you go wan met. You go don die, put for body. If you go fall victim, because no be only say na mouth dem dey take do am with single mothers. Dem dey do juju put. Yes, you wan hear? Dem dey do juju put. Wey be say anything wey dem ask you, you go give them. Whether you get am or you no get am, you must hustle am out, come give them. Because na the thing wey dem dey take survive for their life be that. Some of them don get land. They build their house for Africa. And they no dey work, they no dey do otu, or they no dey do anything. This also wey I dey tell you, Karuwai guy, na im dey be their business. And some now, they don grow. If na the first grade for this category, no be only Germany dem dey get friends o. The first category, the baba of them be say dem dey get paper. This one, they go get paper. So any part in European country, they enter. Some they go far, even US. They get for Nigeria. May we not talk that Africa home. You understand? So for they get paper, they can enter any country at any time. And you, where you be single mother, where you jam them, you go want do, may you confess and may for just do it and may marry you. They no dey for marriage. If this thing wey I dey tell you now, you dey one relationship, you dey one hand, and all this thing wey I dey talk now, na the thing wey you dey do. You know who comot now? You know who comot now before you comot? Because if he leave you comot, na you una wan die put. But if you quick borrow yourself brain comot, shame am comot. Who tell you say as a single mother you no fit stand am? You can stay, you can live a better life. Yes. No, it's single mothers. I no wan add our own join these Carol White guys. I no wan mix up because that one na another topic for my sister dem. But this wetin I dey talk for these things be say all these Carol White guys, no party wey una no dey see them o. Dem dey come in group, dem dey look nice. Some go put say dem dey do sagging, some dey sag. All those young ones among them wey dem never ripe well, dem still dey sag. Dem wan show you wetin dey under. That bossa wey dem even dey show you, no be dem buy am o. Na one of una single mothers na im buy am. The shoe wey you dey see, wey you say this im shoe nice, na one of the single mother buy am. All the thing wey e put from head to toe, the hair wey e do sef, the money wey e take do am, don go do that rasta wey dem dey do now, na single mother money na im dem take do am. Everything from im head to toe na single mother money. E no dey work, e no fit work. If e comot for 7 o'clock, comot like this, e go hustle like every other woman wey dem dey hustle for, you know now. Dem go comot, dem go go hustle. Dem go hustle till early in the morning. Na that early in the morning wey reasonable people, wey meaningful people, wey responsible people dey comot, dey go their daily bread, go look for their daily bread. Na that time dem dey come back. Dem go enter house. Dem don drink to stupor. Dem say this Carol White guy, they can sabi drink, they can sabi smoke. Hey wo. Because dem go high now, dem go high well. They wan prove to you say they be guy, as in they be hackney guys for everywhere. You dey understand am? So as people dey comot, they go their working place now, they go do their business. Na that time dem dey enter. They don get hangover. They enter like this. Anyway, dem see, they throw away shoes and clothes. The next thing, they enter bed. They go sleep till afternoon. We hunger the mama dem. Dem come out. You know say dem get plenty single mothers now. The one wey dem dey with, that one too go don prepare im food. Say, my husband, my darling, if you wake up, may you see better food eat. When dem wake up like this, go just welcome am with better food. He go eat o. After he eat, he go talk for phone, watch movie, dance, do, come gossip. Dem can sabi gossip. No babes wey dey for this Germany wey dem no know am. No hackney babes, no better babes wey dey this Germany, wey all this Carol White dem no know. No, ask them any person tori. Everybody wey dey this Germany, abeg, their tori dey their mouth. And dem no even know say their own tori dey smell. E dey smell pass God, I smell pass shit sef. Dem wake up like this, eat, they go sit down, dey lis ten to music. Because you know why they dey lis ten to music? Come see where Carol White guy dey learn Wizkid latest music. They learn all the hip-hop song music, the latest one. Because when dem go hustle babes, all those single mothers, when dem go party or club, as dem dey sing now, dem go dey follow dem dey sing am. Because dem see say most of women too, dem dey like that kind guy. Now, one of their material wey dem dey say woo all these single mothers. After you don learn all these things finish, now learn how to dance. Also, the latest dance, you know. After all those one, you go come enter phone within guy, within group. You go come dey begin dey talk, they quote themselves like say, no, you know, if you get small like this, you know, if you understand everything wey dem dey talk. That is Carol White guy. They no come also say do normal work here for the Europe. The thing wey they wan come do be that. Some wey be say they wan come real also here, as they enter here, bad group now, they enjoy. Na so their life begin. Na so they go do. See, this type guys, if any one of you, my sister, you go fall victim, you are on your own o. Na Oyo you dey o. Yes, na Oyo you dey. I dey tell you now. You dey tell me say wetin concern me. Wetin concern me? Don't worry. I dey talk my own. I dey tell you wetin dey happen for Germany now. You dey tell me say wetin concern me there. When dem do you now, dem do you, whether dem send you back home or you go carry belle for them, maybe you dey look for paper and you go fall victim for the one wey get paper. You think say e go give you paper? Na like Carol White guy no dey give person paper if e get paper. E no go sign for you lie. Some of them, if they tell you say they go sign for you, they go tell you the money wey government go dey pay you, how much you go dey give them every month. That is Carol White. They no dey that love matter. They no ready for any marriage. They no wan dey responsible for anybody. Na them. They wan enjoy their life to the fullest. So if you go join this kind of Carol White group and you come dey happy say you don get better man, my sister, sorry for you. You need deliverance. Yes, you need deliverance. Some of your friends, they don't know the guy wey you dey date now, say na Carol White guy. They don't tell you, they no fit use all mouth to tell you. But you dey do like say no, you sabi pass all of them. You no wan hear word. See, some of those your friends wey they tell you, say, may you forget this guy, this Carol White guy, wey they shark you now. They don't fall victim before, but they no wan tell you. Wetin they fit tell you now, they tell you now. But some of una no go hear word until una become a victim again. May una run away, my sister, for Germany. I dey beg all of una. Whether you be single mother, whether you are still very single, or whichever class you be, you dey single for this Germany. Any guy wey you meet, he fall to this victim wey I just mentioned now, just know say na Carol White guy. Run as fast as you can. Some of this Carol White guy, be say some of them, they no get paper. They hustle, as they hustle single mothers wey dem get paper. They hustle single, na only single mothers be their own victim. Some go do, no be only money they want take, they want get paper. They go show you that fake law wey be say they go even tell you, some go tell you make you carry belle, he wan marry you, you are good, you are this, you are that. Just know say na your paper he wan carry. The moment you carry belle like this, you give am paper, off you go, you know, see am. Do anything you like. He don't go be that. He no love you, he no want you. He no want you. And if you say you wan make trouble out of it, he dey ready for you. Carol White guy, they no dey shame. If you wan abuse am, he get wetin he wan take abuse you before. He go yama you. He go disgrace you for public. He go call you names. He go disrespect you. He go even beat you join. Carol White guy, they no dey get shame. Na them dey beat woman pass. They no know say to beat woman no good, but na their hobby. They feel say because if they get complex, inferiority complex, it dey worry them. They think say the only way women feel respect and submissive to them because they know they're responsible, na to dey beat you, na to dey abuse you. This kind of Carol White guy, if woman, na the girl minor misunderstanding, woman talk 2, they go talk 200. If you no quick come out, they go hit you. After they don't get the paper. And you know, say if you don't give them the paper, not the way you go do for this world, we go feel retrieve and collect them back. Now be say you don't become victim with that. And they're not ready to give you one dime. As you don't give them paper like this, now to boost their energy and also their business. Because now another plus for them as they get that paper for another victim. You see, you born the pikin now, the pikin become a German government responsibility. Now that kind of life you like. Because me at the talk now, you they look me. You say na lie. I say wait till concern me. No worry, it go concern me. You, make them do you. For victim, may you come out, come begin the rake. May you not allow Mama Gladys them rest. May you not allow First Lady, German First Lady rest. May you not begin the talk story. When I need more, may they donate. Donate a call, donate in. Because all of us, we dey tell una now, may una open una eyes, may una open una sense join. May una know wetin dey sup, wetin dey happen for this Germany. Una no wan gree. Because una come from Italy, una don't think say una sabi their tactic for Italy. For Germany, na another story entirely. Na another story. All these Carol White guy, they are the most useless guy ever in this whole world. They know they get plan, they no get future. Everything you see them get for like property for that Nigeria, na single mother money. Anyway, now there I go talk and reach for this video for Carol White guy. Another part go still come for my next time. Abeg, wetin I want me una do for me. No forget, go my Facebook page now, Dara Talk Show. Go like and follow. Press follow too. For my timeline for Facebook, you go see many videos there. Comment, love, help me share. For my YouTube too, still go my YouTube channel. capital letter Dara, capital letter D for Dara Talk Show, and capital letter S for show. Just press the subscriber button and notification button so that you go dey get my new video anytime I upload new video. Una do well for my body. No vex na. Caro white na cream. Caro white, you dey vex me, you dey curse me. Wetin I do you now? Wetin I do you? You be Caro white guy. Na be say you be among the Caro white guy wey I dey talk. Na make you dey curse me. Na make you dey abuse me. Wetin I do you? If you be Caro white, you can't dey vex because I leak your secret. Go look for work. Go look for work. Go look for better things to do with your life. You see this one wey you dey do Caro white group? No be better life. You wan turn your life to gigolo, na gigolo you be. Na because I no wan just spell am like that, na make me use Caro white guy. Your life dey smell. Go get responsible. Bye.